Wall Street is set to rise on hopes for a package of tax cuts from Washington, D.C. Also this week, earnings continue in earnest amid record valuations for the equity indices. In the previous session last Friday, U.S. indices closed higher to finish the week. Shares were boosted by the following sectors, including banks, food and staples retailing, and consumer durables, as well as apparel. 75% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher on Friday. Now, moving on to Monday's company news, Arconic reported a Q3 profit that missed expectations, but revenues still beat. The aluminum producer raised its full-year sales outlook. Moving on to Halliburton, the company's earnings and revenue topped estimates. Meanwhile, company shares have lost 20% year to date, and CEO Jeff Miller stated that the North American business is hitting on all cylinders and the international business proved resilient in this challenging environment. Now, Cisco Systems announced it will buy telecommunications software maker BroadSoft for $1.9 billion net of cash. Cisco will pay $55 for each BroadSoft share. In overseas markets, Asian markets were mixed, the Nikkei gaining 1.1%, the Hang Seng off 0.6%, and South Korea's Kospi flat. European indices are trading higher on Monday. Here in the U.S., the S&P 500 is in the spotlight. The upside prevails, and trading center analysts prefer long positions above 2563.5 with targets at 2577 and 2580 in extension. As for the Nasdaq, even though a continuation of the consolidation can't be ruled out, its extent should be limited. As for the Dow Industrials, the upside prevails on an intraday basis.